Not able to get verified on TikTok but not sure why? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll cover all the different reasons why you might not be able to get verified on TikTok. Now let's get started. Reason number one is that you do not meet the basic requirements. There are a few requirements you need to meet in order to even apply for verification on TikTok. The basic requirements are as follows. You must have a complete profile, including a username, bio, and profile image. You must have a verified email address and phone number on your account. And your account cannot be set to private. If you don't meet one of these requirements, you will not be eligible to apply for verification on TikTok. You can easily fix these by completing your profile, adding a phone number and email to your user information, and setting your account to public. Reason number two is incomplete account information or lack of documentation. The next part of the verification process requires you to enter all your personal information if you're trying to verify a creator account, or business information if you're applying for verification of a business account. If any of this information is incorrect or incomplete, your application will be denied. You must also upload clear images and proper documentation at the end of this section. If your images aren't clear or if the documents you provided were not official ID, this could result in your application for verification being rejected. The last reason you may not be able to get verified on TikTok is lack of notability. TikTok will only verify accounts of people or businesses who they consider notable, meaning well-known, famous, or important. You must provide links to articles from prestigious news outlets or publications that prove your notability when applying for verification on TikTok. If you or your business haven't been featured in news articles, or the articles you've linked are not considered prestigious news sources, this could be a reason why you would not be considered for verification on TikTok. If you apply for TikTok verification and your application is denied, you can apply again in 30 days. Make sure you're thorough with your application, fill out each form properly, and provide sufficient documentation when asked, and your application should be approved. Check out our tutorial on how to get verified on TikTok to start your application process now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.